one love. Golden sunrise on the bay, bringing hope with every ray. Grace and courage lead the way, lighting hearts from day to day. Walking proud with peaceful eyes, dreams as wide as endless skies. Every smile becomes a flame, changing lives without a name. When the wind begins to sing, hope can make the mountains ring. Every soul has strength inside, like the everlasting tide. Queen of the island, shine your light, guide the morning through the night. Strong in spirit, calm and free, like the waves across the sea. Queen of the island, lead with grace, love and kindness fill this place. Bassline rolling deep and warm, steady through the raging storm. Island rhythms fill the air, songs of hope are everywhere. Children laughing, elders smile, walking every extra mile. Every heartbeat tells the story, growing brighter into glory. Raise your banner, lift it high, dream together, beat the sky. Walk with courage, stand as one. Every dawn has just begun, yeah. Rise, stand firm. One people, one vibration. Forward, forever. Queen of the island, keep the flame. Every heart can rise again. Side by side, hand in hand, hope is growing through the land. Queen of the island, shining true. Every dream begins with you. One rhythm, one family, one future. Keep the fire burning. Yeah. Every sunrise brings another chance. One heartbeat, one journey forward. The morning paints the hills in gold, stories waiting to unfold. Every sky becomes a guide, like the rivers to the tide. Though the road may twist and bend, faith will always be our friend. Every step up on the ground plants new hope where love is found. When the rain begins to fall, we stand stronger through it all. Every trial shakes the flame, making us more than yesterday. Beauty in the broken, light within the night. Hope becomes a sunrise, shining warm and bright. Hand in hand we're rising, nothing stands alone. Love becomes a shelter that we call our home. Beauty in the broken, hear the children sing. Every heart united makes tomorrow bloom like one heartbeat, one nation. The fire lives on. Morning paints the eastern sky, calling every dream to fly. Every mountain, every sea, whisper songs of liberty. Roots grow stronger through the rain, turning every loss to gain. Every heartbeat knows the way toward a brighter, stronger day. When the shadows cross the road, love will help us bear the load. Hope becomes the rising sun, lighting every soul as one. Never lose the flame, keep it burning bright. Guide each generation through the darkest night. Stand with one another, strong in heart and soul. Together we'll keep rising, together we'll be whole. Never lose the flame, lift your voice and sing. Every act of kindness makes tomorrow bloom in spring. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like the rivers always flow. Island breezes carry peace, teaching restless hearts release. Children laughing in the square, songs of freedom fill the air. Every rhythm, every beat brings our hearts and hopes to meet. Raise the banner, lift it high. Hope was born to touch the sky. Walk with courage, lead with grace. Love will always find its place. Rise, stand firm. Rise, one people, one rhythm, forward forever. Never lose the flame, shining through the years. Faith is stronger than our fears, yeah. Hand in hand together, nothing breaks our chain. We'll keep moving forward again and again, yeah. Never lose the flame, guide the world with light. Hope becomes the answer, love becomes our mind. One love, one family, one future. Keep the fire alive. Shine your light from the hills to the sea. One rhythm, one people. Yeah. Oh. Morning breaks with colors bright, turning shadows into light. Every road may twist and climb, still we move one step at a time. Roots grow deep beneath the rain, turning hardship into gain. Every heartbeat keeps the flame, every soul can spark a change. When the clouds begin to fall, hope keeps standing through it all. Faith becomes the guiding sound, strong enough to hold our ground. Be the light of the islands, burning strong and true. Every dream is growing, starting here with you. Stand together proudly, hand in hand we'll rise. Hope becomes tomorrow, shining in our eyes. Be the light of the islands, let your spirit fly, like the morning sunrise, faint in every sky. Bassline rolling, rich and deep, like the promises we keep. Island winds begin to sing, carrying hope on every wing. Drums awaken every street, moving every heart to beat. Love is louder than the fear, building brighter futures here. Raise your banner, raise your song. Every heart can still belong. Walk with courage, lead with grace. Hope is shine on every face. Hey! Rise, stand firm. One heartbeat, one vibration. Forward, forever. Be the light of the islands, guide the way ahead. Plant the seeds of kindness everywhere you tread. Side by side forever, nothing breaks our chain. Together we'll keep shining through the wind and rain. One love, one family, one future. Keep the light alive. Hear the breeze, feel the rhythm. One heartbeat, one future. Rise. Morning breaks across the bay, golden light reveals the way. Every footstep plants a seed, growing hope through every deed. Strong like mountains, calm like rain, turning every loss to gain. Every dream begins to grow, where the island breezes blow. When the clouds begin to fade, fear gives way to brighter days. Faith becomes the morning sun, lighting every hopeful one. Ride the winds of freedom, lift your spirit high, like the soaring seabirds, touch the open sky. Stand beside your neighbor, walk a stronger road. Love becomes the power that can lift the load. Ride the winds of freedom, sing with heart and soul. Together we are stronger, together we are whole. Bassline rolling deep and slow, like the rivers gently flow. Island drums begin to speak, giving courage to the weak. Children laughing in the square, songs of joy fill every air. Every heartbeat keeps the flame, every soul can spark a change. Raise your voices, lift your hands, build tomorrow across the lands. Hold the
One heartbeat, one destiny. Rise with the tide. Ah. Morning breaks with golden fire. Every dream climbs a little higher. Roads may bend but never end. Hope will always be our friend. Roots run deep beneath the ground. In every heart new strength is found. Every sunrise writes a page. Wisdom grows with every age. When the winds begin to blow, faith reminds us where to go. Step by step we cross the night, guided by a brighter light. Changing tides lift us high, like the mountains touch the sky. Stand together, side by side. Nothing stops this rising tide. Changing tides, strong and true. Every dawn brings something new. One love, one melody, building one great destiny. Bassline rolling deep and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Island drums begin to call. Hope is stronger than the wall. Hands united plant the seed. Every act becomes a deed. Songs of freedom fill the air. Love is growing everywhere. Raise your voice, hold your ground. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Peace within, fire inside. Walk with truth, walk street wide. Changing tides, still we rise. Faith reflected in our eyes. Every heartbeat, every song. Together we keep moving on. Changing tides lead the way. Hope grows brighter every day. One rhythm, one family, one future. Keep moving forward. Rise, stand firm. One people, one vibration. Forward, forever, forever. There, changing tides, still we rise. Faith reflected in our eyes. Every heartbeat, every song. Together we keep moving on. Changing tides lead the way.
Rise with the sunrise, stand without fear. The fire within will always lead. The morning calls across the rills, awakening hearts with steady will. Every step writes a brighter page. Wisdom grows with every age. Through the valleys, through the rain, hope keeps rising once again. Every soul can light the flame. No two journeys are the same. When the road becomes unknown, fate reminds we're not alone. Every heartbeat keeps the time, turning mountains into climbs. We are warriors of the dawn, standing proud until the storm is gone. One love, one dream, one destiny, growing stronger like the deepest tree. Raise your voices to the sky, never let your spirit die. Hand in hand we'll overcome, marching with the morning sun. Bassline rolling like the sea, steady, deep and wild and free. Island drums begin to call, together we can stand through all. Children dancing in the light, songs of peace through every night. Every smile becomes a spark, guiding hope beyond the dark. Raise your banner, lift it high, dream beneath open sky. Stand with courage, love with greed. Love will never lose its place. Fire with regards, forward, stand tall. One people, one heartbeat. Keep moving, keep believing. We are warriors of the dawn. Every trial makes us strong. Hope will never fade away, lighting every brand new day. Side by side we carry on, like the rising morning sun. One heart beating, proud and free, building our shared destiny. Oh. Whoa. One rhythm, one family, one future, rise together. Rise with purpose, stand with courage. One heartbeat, one destiny. The morning sun climbs over the hills, lighting dreams with steady will. Every footstep leaves a sign, building futures one day at a time. From the valleys to the shore,
open hearts are worth much more. Not by fear and not by pride, but by truth we stand beside. When the wind begins to roar, hope keeps open every door. Faith becomes our guiding flame. Love and justice lead the way. We're the crown of the people. Lift every soul. Stand together, strong and whole. Raise your banner, hold it high, like the eagle in the sky. We're the crown of the people. Let compassion lead. Every act of kindness plants tomorrow's seed. Baseline rolling deep and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Island drums begin to call. Unity can conquer all. Every child deserves a chance. Every dream deserves its dance. Hands together build a way toward a brighter, stronger day. Raise your voice, never fear. Hope grows louder year by year. Peace is power, truth remains. Love will always break the chain. We're the crown of the people. Lift every soul. Stand together, strong and whole. Raise your banner, hold it high, like the eagle in the sky. We're the crown of the people. Let compassion lead. Every act of kindness plants tomorrow's seed. Forward, stand firm. One people, one purpose. Rise together. We're the crown of the people. Shine your light. Guide the journey through the night. Side by side, dream by dream. Life is greater than it seems. We're the crown of the people. Faith will always grow. When we stand united, the whole world knows. One dribble, one farmer man, one future. Keep the light alive. Rise with the sunrise, carry the fire from the roots to tomorrow. Morning light touches every hill. Gentle winds whisper, climb on still. Hands together shape the day. Hope will always find a way. Every heartbeat tells a tale, strong enough to never fail. Deep inside the spirit grows, like the river always flows. Stand together through the rain. Every trial brings new gain. Faith will guide the path ahead. By the fire, keep growing. Feel the fire, hear the heartbeat from the hills to the sea. Rise together, golden sunrise lights the shore. Open hearts are asking for more. Every step leaves hope behind. Every dream can change a time. Strong like roots beneath the ground. Love is where our strength is found. Every voice begins to sing. Freedom rides on every wind. When the night grows cold and long, we become a louder song. Faith will never lose its flame. Tomorrow calls us once again. Fire never fades, keep the light alive. Through every storm, we'll always rise. One heart beating, one strong sound. Lift each other, stand your ground. Fire never fades, shining through the years. Hope is stronger than our fears. Bassline rolling deep and warm, like the sea before the storm. Island rhythm fills the air. Every soul has something to share. Hands together building dreams. Nothing's ever as hard as it seems. Every child can see the way toward a brighter yesterday. Raise the banner, lift it high. Dream beneath the endless sky. Peace within us, courage grows. Every heart already knows. The the sea. Hope keeps calling every family. No matter the struggle, we stand as one. Another new day underneath the sun. Every heartbeat carries a dream. Life is stronger than it may seem. Hands together, mountains fall. Love is the answer that can heal us all. Fire inside never fading away, guided by the light every single day. When the road gets rough, we never retreat. Victory dancing with the island beat. Rise again, higher than yesterday. One love, never lose your way. Stand together, strong forever. Hope will carry every generation. Rise again, voices to the sky. Keep believing, dreams will never die. Bassline rolling like the ocean tide. Positive spirit walking side by side. Every smile stronger than fear. Better tomorrow is already here. Drums keep talking through the night. Hearts united in the golden light. Every culture, every nation sing. Freedom grows when the people bring. Lift every voice, carry the flame. Different stories, one beautiful name. Hope is the river, faith is the sea. Together forever, we all are free. Rise again, never looking back. Every soul, keeping hope on track. Stand together, love forever. Nothing stronger than united hearts. Rise again, feel the reggae fire. One vibration taking us higher. One love, one sound, island spirit, world around. Rise again. Rise with the morning, stand with the people. One heartbeat, one revolution. The sunrise paints a brighter day, washing every fear away. From every corner voices grow, like mighty rivers they will flow. Feet on the ground, eyes on the sky. Dreams are the wings that tell us fly. Through every storm we hold the flame. Love and courage remain the same. No change can hold a faithful soul. Hope keeps making broken spirits whole. Every heartbeat finds its sound. Together we can shake the ground. Heartbeat revolution, moving with the tide. Love becomes the answer, standing side by side. Lift your hands higher, feel the island sun. Every voice united, together we are one. Oh, heartbeat revolution, shining through the night. Faith becomes our fire, leading to the light. Bassline rolling like thunder rain, healing every hidden pain. Island carries every prayer. A brighter future fills the air. Children laughing, elders sing. Joy is what tomorrow brings. Roots grow deeper every day. Nothing steals our hope away. Blow the horns, let freedom call. When one stands, we all stand tall. Carry peace, carry light. Love keeps winning every fight. Forward, never surrender. One people, one heartbeat. Rise, rise, rise. Heart revolution, stronger than before. Every soul together, opening every door. Hope is our foundation. Faith will never fall. Love keeps growing higher, enough to lift us all. One rhythm, one family, one future. Rise with love. Rise with love. From the roots we rise, through every season. One spirit, forever strong. Every scar tells a story untold. Every heart carries treasures like gold. Even when the night feels long, morning teaches us to stay strong. Winds may shake the tallest tree, still the roots run deep and free. Step by step we build again, turning every loss to gain. No mountain stands forever high. Faith keeps lifting every eye. Every soul can light the flame. Tomorrow never stays the same. Stronger than the storm, brighter than the dawn. Hope will guide the journey, keep the fire burning on. Hand in hand we move, side by side we stand. Love becomes the power flowing through the land. Oh yeah. Bassline rolling like the waves. Every heartbeat bold and brave. Island breeze carries every breath. Peace and purpose fill the air. Children laugh beneath the sky. Dreams are soaring high. Every voice becomes a song. Together we all belong. Raise your light, lift your soul. your voice again. Every road before us leads to brighter days. Bassline moving like the rolling tide. Every dream walks right beside. Island drums begin to play, chasing every fear away. Mountains never stop the rain, still the flowers bloom again. Every child deserves to know love is where tomorrow grows. Raise your banner, raise your song. Hope has made us powerful and strong. From the valleys to the highest hill, peace and courage guide us still. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Keep moving. One family, one destiny. Stand firm, stand tall, rise with the morning. Feel the fire burn. Every lesson in this life becomes a chance to learn. Side by side forever, nothing breaks the chain.